Sound Partners 1, Lesson 45. Today we'll talk about a new sound, the sound made by, like in the word fern. Is made by the letters ER. Fern. Ready? Let's practice some sounds now. Zipper. Whale. Lion. Fern. Cherry. Earn. Whale. Yellow. Queen. Jet. Ball. Apple. Hat. Octopus. Fern. Skunk. Up. Yellow. Whale. Queen. Now we'll listen for the sounds that you hear and write the letters that represent those sounds. Ready? The first sound is
Wa.
The second sound,
Ah.
the third sound, the fourth sound, the fifth sound,
Sk.
the sixth sound,
Qua.
number 7,
Yi.
and number 8.
Ah.
Let's check your answers. The first one was WH. Number 2, A. Number 3, ER. Number 4, CH. Number 5, SK. Number 6, QU. Number 7, Y. And number 8, U. Now let's practice sounding these words out and then reading them fast. Let's practice with the word in the box. Her. Her. Faster. Fern. Skips. Letter. Chill. When. Bert. Helper. Stern. Hunter. Quiz. Crunched. Bumper. Robin. Now let's read them. Her. Faster. Fern. Skips. letter, chill, when, Bert, helper, stern, hunter, quiz, crunched, bumper, robin. What sound does fern start with? F. What sound does fern end with? N. What is the middle sound in fern? Er. What sound does chill start with? Ch. What sound does chill end with? O. What is the middle or the vowel sound in chill? I. What sound does stern start with? S. What sound does stern end with? N. What is the middle sound in the word stern? Is the middle sound. Now let's spell 3 of these words. The first word we're going to spell is the word fern. Stretch it out and listen for the sounds. Fern. And now write the letters that represent the sounds you hear in the word fern. The second word, chill. Let's stretch it out and listen for the sounds. Ch-ill, chill. Write the letters that represent the sounds you hear in the word chill. And the last word, letter. O-et-er, letter. All right, let's check your spelling. The first word was fern. Fern. F-E-R-N. Fern. The next word was chill. Ch-ill. C-H-I-L-L. Chill. And the last word, letter. O-et-er. Letter. L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. Now let's practice reading and spelling our sight words. Ready? Saw, S-A-W, saw. All, A-L-L, all. Yule, Y-O-U apostrophe L-L, Yule. She, S-H-E, she. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. Were, W-E-R-E, were. What, W-H-A-T, what. They, T-H-E-Y, they. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. Saw, S-A-W, saw. She's, S-H-E apostrophe S, she's. Over, O-V-E-R, over. All right, let's repeat those one more time. Ready? Saw, S-A-W, saw. All, A-L-L, all. Yule, Y-O-U apostrophe L-L, Yule. She, S-H-E, she. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. Were, W-E-R-E, were. What, W-H-A-T, what. They, T-H-E-Y, they. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. Saw, S-A-W, saw. she's, SHE', she's. Over, OVER, over. Now let's spell 3 of our sight words. The first word we're going to spell is the word you'll. Remember that you'll is a contraction for you will. Spell you'll. The next word, they. They. And the last word, saw. Let's check your spelling. The first word, you'll, YOU''LL, you'll. The second word, they, THEY, they. And the last word, SAW, saw. Now let's practice reading these sentences. Ready? Was that you over there? Was that you over there? Were they with you? Were they with you? Didn't they come with you? So our sentences today are all 3 questions. Make sure that when we are on the last word of the question, our voice is going up to reflect that it's a question. Let's read all 3 again. Ready? Was that you over there? Were they with you? Didn't they come with you? Now point to the ED. When we add ED to the end of a word, it means something that already happened. I'm going to say plan with this ending. Planned. Now it's your turn. Touch the box and say plan with this ending. Did you say planned? Now let's try it with the word bump. Bumped. Now try it with the word rent. Rented. Remember that ED has 3 sounds. T, D, and ed. What sound does the ED make at the end of mashed? You hear the T sound. What sound does the ED make at the end of the word slugged? You hear D. What sound does the ED make at the end of the word chatted? You hear the ed sound at the end of the word chatted. Now let's read these words. Ready? Drop, dropped. Chat, chatted. Plan, planned. Mash, mashed. Clap, clapped. Slug, slugged. Now I'm going to say some word pairs. First, say each word and listen to hear if there is a or a n sound near the end of the word. Then spell the word pairs. Our first word pair is pond and pod. Pond, pod. Write those 2 words on your paper. Pond is P-O-N-D. Pod is P-O-D. Now listen for these two words. Hit, hint. Hit, hint. Write those two words. Hit is H-I-T. Hint is H-I-N-T. Now write the words chimp and chip. Chimp, chip. Chimp is C-H-I-M-P. Chip is C-H-I-P. The next pair, pup, pump. Pup, pump. Pup is P-U-P. Pump is P-U-M-P. And our last pair of words, land, lad. Land, lad. Land is L-A-N-D. Lad is L-A-D. Now let's read these words. Ready? O-int, lint. O-it, lit. Lint, lit. S-ad, sad. And sand. Sad, sand. Ut, hut. Nt, hunt. Hut, hunt. Ant, chant. Chat, chat. Chant, chat. Now let's do some extra practice with our new letter pairs. Write the letters that make these sounds. The first is er. Write the letter pair that makes the sound er. Number 2, write the letter pair that makes the sound hwah, hwah. Number 3, write the letter pair that makes the sound sl, sl. Number 4, write the letter pair that makes the sound ch. Number 5, write the letters that make the sound sk, sk. And the last sound, fl, fl. All right, let's check your answers. The first letter pair was ER. The second letter pair, WH. The third letter pair, SL. The next one, CH. Number 5, SK. And the sixth one, FL. Now let's read these words. Earn, fern, hip, whip, sled, sled, skit, skit, flub, flub, that. Now spell these words. The first word, when. The next word, pert, pert. Number 3, thud, thud. Number 4, term, term. Number 5, fled, fled. And number 6, skim, skim. All right, let's check your work. The first word was when, WHEN, when. The next word, pert, PERT, pert. The next word, thud, THUD, thud. The next word, term. Term, term. Fled. Fled, fled. And the last word, skim. Skim, skim. Now let's read these nonsense words. Ready? Flur, flur. Quad, quad. Skeb, skeb. Them, them. Slad, slad. Chert, chert. Now let's spell these three nonsense words. The first word is skr, skr. The next word, shap, shap. And the last word, slim, slim. Let's check your answers. The first word was sker, S-K-E-R. The second word, shap, S-H-A-P. And the last word, slim, S-L-E-M, slim. Now let's reread our story from yesterday, Rub-a-Dub. Rub-a-Dub. Ready? Anne had 6 cats in a box. The cats got out. The cats got in the mud. Anne put the cats in the tub. Rub-a-dub-dub, 6 cats in the tub. Anne had to rub the mud off the cats. The cats got mad. The cats got out of the tub. The cats ran to the box. Anne fell. Anne was in the mud. Rub-a-dub-dub, Anne is in the tub. The end. And that's the end of our lesson today.